Exupia, 120 plus sports, 1.85-inch screen, smartphone, Bluetooth, answer phone calls, jog, walk, hike, bike, check your heart rate, and more. What we're going to do is open up this package and show you what you get inside and how to set up. They call this the S5 smartwatch. It comes with a user's manual. Simply go over at your leisure, download the application, and it has its own dedicated magnetic wireless charging cable, brick not included. As we pull out the product, it comes with a black band. Do check the colors and the designs you are after. Please remember to peel all stickers and film off of the lenses. On vacation, at the office, at home, with the power station, simply match up on the blue areas correctly, as a magnet wireless will charge the unit and say hello and turn on for the first time. It goes in English. Simply press your language. Please download the app, and that is charging, quick charging with a nice circle and more. Opening up the application, it's asking to look for the Bluetooth, allow, and connect by registering. As we open up Domina, smartphone air pump, and smartphone watch. As we click on it, we are set up and binding. In the application, we have the home. We have walking, burn, distance, sports, sleep mode, heart rate, oxygen, and health measurements. We have activities, and we have a profile. We have a number D, and we enter the device, and we are set up. I need to do our watch by opening up, turning on the screen by tapping or pressing the button. As you can see, we need to take it off of the charger for the first time, and then we're able to scan to bind. Scan code to pair. Shut down the application. Open up the camera. Scan the code. And pair. Open up the application and hit skip. We have our phone ready to go. As we hit the back, we have a connect button, and we are binding the device. Agree to the phone binding by accepting. Binding successful. Bluetooth needs to be paired. Agree with the information. Hit get started, and we're ready to go with the green bind icon. This is what our application looks like when correctly bounded. We have sports mode that gives us our GPS that we can run and show our track records. We have devices. We have push notifications, alarms, activities, drink reminder, a dial library, sports push, and weather reports. If we scroll further down, we could raise to wake, pick a time to wake up, and the hour of 24 or standard 12 a.m. p.m. We have contacts, shake for photos, and device version, restore, restart, and off devices and unbind. We're going to show you a brief demonstration of the watch's interface. Swiping down, we have the brightness, time, a play, answer the calls, night light, and more. We have the cog gear. In the cog gear, we have menu, style, display, vibration ring, language, and more. Backing out is hitting the dial button. Swiping from the right-hand side to the left is your data, your heart rate. From the bottom, more information. And swiping across, your oxygen level, and so forth. Swiping from the bottom gets you to your text messages. Swiping on the opposite side gets you a small shortcut window. These are just some of the shortcuts of the watch. We will demonstrate in walking how the watch works, and we will demonstrate your heartbeat and all. For large to small hands, put on the watch so the sensor hits the area and lock down with the strap. It is a rubber strap. Check online for further detail about the product. To wake the product up is simply just shaking your hand. If you want to take a photo by shaking, hold your smartphone and shake the smartwatch. It'll take a photo. We're going to look at our heart rate. We're going to turn on the watch, go to heart rate, and allow the watch to look at our heart rate. Our heart rate is at 80 and lowering down. We're going to go for a walk, and as I walk, we'll show you the watch. As we're going to the walk, we hit the walk, we have a count, and we're walking. After 30 seconds, we have a screen saver. It shuts off. To wake up, simply just shake, and we've been walking. If I want to look at what I have, that is what my camera shows, my watch. These are just some of the features and functions of a smart fitness watch. This may be something that you are looking for your fitness needs, to measure your heart rate, your oxygen level, your sleeping, and more. For working out, walking, jogging, biking, and more. With over 120 different sports modes for your needs. This is what the watch is about. Thank you for viewing, and I hope you enjoy your Smart Fit watch. When you finish with your walking exercises, simply just come over here, swipe up or down to the side, and hit the end. Hit the quit, and you're good to go by hitting the check mark. Vibration, smartphone, making phone calls, listening to music through your earbuds, remote control. Your watch can do just about anything in imaginable ways. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.